KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing French onion, chicken and rice bake. A real nice simple recipe. Let's get on with it. Okay, now first thing I'm going to do is make up my seasoning. Now you can actually buy pre-made seasonings from your supermarket, but I'm just going to add in around about, let's say, a teaspoon's worth of parsley and sugar, a teaspoon of salt, maybe half a teaspoon, around about a heap teaspoons worth of garlic powder, and the same again of onion powder, and probably 2 teaspoons worth of a good quality smoked paprika. Okay, so put all of those into a bowl, just like I'm doing right there, and that is going to basically make up our little chicken seasoning. All right, very easy to do. Just make sure we get everything into that. Give that a quick little bit of a stir through, just like I'm doing right there. Get all those spices incorporated into one another. Okay, and this works out a little bit less expensive as well than just buying a pre-made spice mix. Now use anywhere between 6 to 8 drumsticks. You can use Maryland pieces if you want. The drumsticks actually end up just a little bit better because you can manipulate those in your final resting place, or their resting place. And all I'm simply going to do now is just toss all that rub that we've made, and that is essentially what we have done with the sugar, salt and spices. We've made a rub, and we're just going to put that straight over our chicken drumsticks. Now those chicken drumsticks I did pat dry with a bit of paper towel. I'm going to let that sit for about 15 minutes and get those flavours happening. Now I'm going to add 1 packet of French onion soup mix into around about, let's say, about a litre of chicken stock, just like that. Give that a really good stir through and stir it really well. Believe me, I made the mistake and didn't give it a stir at the final part. Now I'm going to basically fry off my chicken drumsticks for around about, let's say, 3 to 4 minutes ish. Alright, just give those a stir from time to time and turn them around and get that nice brown colouring happening. And once they are done, we can put that straight back into the same bowl we had. Don't worry, we are going to keep cooking this chicken off, so any contamination in that bowl will be cooked out in our final product. So our 4 minutes ish is up, and we can take those straight out, put those into a bowl, and we can now start getting on with our next part of the plan. So in goes all that chicken stock. As I said, it's around about a litre's worth. They can go straight in, and we're going to add in around about, let's say, 1.5 cups of a long grain rice. We're not going to use a risotto rice for this. We're going to use a long grain rice. It will take a little bit longer to cook, but believe me, this meal works out perfectly. Arrange your drumsticks any which way you like to fit your oven dish. Okay, just like I'm doing it right there. The oven is already sitting at 180 degrees Celsius, and that magic number. And all we have to do now, put those in. We're going to cover that, and I'm going to put that into the oven for around about 30 minutes. Okay, so off it goes, 180 degrees, bye bye, and we'll come back and visit you a little bit later. Around about 20 minutes down the road, we're going to remove the lid and let that just cook off for about another 15 to 20 minutes. Just open like that, and before you know it, you have got this amazing, easy French onion, chicken and rice bake. And I've just served that up with a little bit of baby spinach leaves, just like that. You can put a bit of dressing on if you want. Doesn't really need it. Everything just works out absolutely perfectly. How easy and how economical was that to make? Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms and social media. We're trying to get known KP's Kingdom out there. Leave a comment. I love reading and I love responding to them. Don't forget to hit the notifications bell so you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. More importantly, you want to learn how to make something quick, easy, budget, just like this, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again after my French onion, chicken and rice bake, and I will catch you next time. Bye!